interest for the teachers in this is getting kids outdoors and touching the things that we're reading about in our science books in the classroom. And what better way than to be outside looking at the plants, the desert plants, so that I don't have to go and dig them out and bring them into the classroom. I mean, we do have some samples in there, but it's just fun for the kids to get out and explore their own area. They might not get to do that on any other given day. And I know nowadays parents being protective, this is an excellent way to get families involved doing things outdoors and also connecting to our state science standards. One of the things that we're going to be focusing on today, just so you know, make sure they have a conversation. Just so you know, the things that are of great value and interest in 4th and 5th grade is the animal and the plant cells. We study those, and the students learn how there's a difference, but not a great one, in the two different cells. One of them being a chloroplast, which makes something green, and giving the plant the ability to make its own food. Now, we can't do that. I tell the kids, wouldn't it be cool if we could make our own food? We wouldn't have to go out. We wouldn't have to stop and slow down. Now, I got to come in for dinner now. You know, I can make my own food, Mom. I'm just going to stand out in the sun. We don't get to do that. So one of the things that the kids learn is that plants can make their own food, which is good because they're at the base of our food chain, which we'll be talking about next trip, and they give us our energy. They can take the sun's energy and water, and through photosynthesis, photo meaning light, create their own food, their own sugars, which we eat and we consume. It gives us energy. We also eat the animals that eat those plants, and sometimes we eat the animals that eat the animals that eat those plants. But the main thing to focus on today is the idea that we, through our circulatory system, have a transport system, and it's what gets our energy into our bodies and our waste products out of our bodies. And plants have that in common. Plants and humans and animals have that in common. And the structure system of a plant has its own transport system that takes nutrients out of the soil and gets it out to the leaves and gets materials out of the air and water and things and bringing it down to the roots as well. And I think we are so lucky to have Ms. Barrows here to explain a lot of the great specific details of plants. We're going to also get into the parts of the plant and things like that, but mostly just kind of walk around and look, and we'll talk about oxygen exchange and water exchange, and we'll get to do a few hands-on experiments, and we'll do a little bit of art.